This video is part of a series on the subject of things to not do, things to avoid before you file a bankruptcy, either a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. And this is the second in the series on the subject of item number 2 on my list, transferring assets to a friend or relative. Large gifts, large unusual transfers of assets to a friend or relative are to be avoided. Same goes for a business associate. I can't tell you how many times I've been asked, so the Harley Davidson or the boat is going to be a problem in the bankruptcy, is too big of an asset. It's toxic to my bankruptcy case. What if I just sold that to my brother for $1? I'm sorry, but that's been thought of before, and they've got that loophole plugged. We have to disclose all transfers of anything that is above and beyond your ordinary course of business, your ordinary course of financial affairs. The bankruptcy trustee will look at transfers of property like this as an effort to hide assets, and the bankruptcy trustee might very well, in a Chapter 7 case, try to claw the asset back so that that asset can be divvied up amongst the creditors. When you're doing a Chapter 13, you have to pay in enough, your payments have to be enough into the payment plan for the Chapter 13 to cover that asset, to make up for that asset, so that the unsecured creditors are not receiving less than they would have if it had been a Chapter 7. Under the bankruptcy code, the look-back period is 2 years. But we also have a state statute, a state fraudulent transfer statute, where the look-back period is 6 years. The lawyer will know there's a whole list of exceptions, okay? A very long list of exceptions. And your lawyer will know whether the transfer can be fit into one of these exceptions. Let's say your creditors are after you and they have been garnishing your bank account. So instead of having your paycheck deposited in your own bank account, you have it deposited in somebody else's bank account. Stop doing that. Before you make any kind of serious financial moves, before you change anything, talk to your lawyer. How is this going to affect your bankruptcy?